Now, in the state of California, the D-38 sand and water blasting contractor uses the force of compressed air in conjunction with abrasive materials or water to clean or prepare surfaces for any protective, decorative, and or functional treatment. Now, this classification falls under the C61 limited specialty umbrella. I'm not going to go through each one of these points. I've got this definition linked below. However, there are two very important ones I want to take a quick look at. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of operations of classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that the work you're doing falls under the correct classification and that is approved and accepted by the CSLB, so that you don't run into any issues. Now, when it comes to the D-38 license, the vast majority of the contractors that hold this classification are doing pressure washing. Typically, this is found in a residential, commercial, or industrial setting. This could include surface preparation for new coatings, paint stripping, corrosion or rust, graffiti and oil stain removal, power washing for gas stations, shopping centers, grocery stores, auto shops. Again, this could include fleet pressure washing and knowing about the water reclamation requirements based on your county. So that comes, environmental and health safety. So you always want to make sure that you're aware of those things county by county and city by city. But this is the vast majority of the contractors that hold this classification are doing these types of services. Now, next you have sandblasting. Now, this is similar, but using sand to remove paint removal, silica sand, industrial abrasive blasting, architectural sandblasting, concrete aggregate exposure. This could be a subcontracted service from another contractor, so sandblasting for construction, power coating construction equipment, bicycles, automotive parts. So this is another big service that is offered under this particular classification. And then next you have roof, window cleaning, and various types of janitorial services. So contractors that may not necessarily do sandblasting or pressure washing, but run a janitorial service and still want to get a contractor license in California, this is an option also. So again, water reclamation is big. Artificial glass cleaning, building exterior cleaning, gutters and patios, and again, janitorial services that are exist in a variety of different contexts. And then of course, gutter cleaning services, individuals who specialize in this may also obtain this classification. Now, in the state of California, contractors can hold multiple contractor license classifications. The most common additional licenses that D-38 contractors have are the C-33 painting and decorating and the B general building. Now, we've got information about holding multiple contractor licenses on our website. Just keep in mind that you have to have experience in those additional trades in order to add the classification. Now, in order to get the D-38 license, you've got to pass the California Construction Law exam. This is a pretty extensive exam covering everything from taxes and financial reporting to contracts to cash management, business structures, workers' compensation, insurance. We cover everything you need to know in our course that you can find below this video. The exam is going to be 115 questions. It'll be multiple choice. It'll be closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete it. It'll be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that'll be assigned to you based on your zip code. Now, you may encounter questions that involve light math, everything from arithmetic to units of measurement, calculating square footages, and percentages and decimals potentially. Now, we cover everything you need to know in a very clear and easy to understand format with tons of examples and diagrams, essentially a full summary of everything you need to know to pass the exam. This could be in the form of physical or ebooks. We've got online videos with tons of audio reviews, tons of online practice exams, a complete math course, and then of course application preparation and review to ensure your application is filled out correctly, and then full support throughout the entire licensing process. Now we've got a separate video that goes into the requirements for the D-38 license. I strongly suggest that you check that out. Below, we've also got the most updated fees as well as links to the application and our complete course. I hope you found this information helpful. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. This is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.